All right, yeah, I'm looking through the ticker symbols. What is Jersey Mike's ticker symbol going to be?
Maybe subs.
SUB.
I like it.
But that's taken by an ETF.
Oh, an ETF.
Then Mike, maybe. That's not taken. So
JZY.
whatever. Anyway, Jersey Mike subs submitted a draft registration statement for a proposed IPO of its Class A common stock to the SEC. The number of shares and the price range that has yet to be determined. So this is a sandwich shop with more than 3,000 locations now. They're working with Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan Chase, and Jefferies on the offering. Now, our sources earlier told us that Jersey Mike's is seeking a valuation of at least $12 billion.
A sandwich shop. $12 billion.
Hey, this has happened before. The IPO anticipated to raise more than $1 billion,
Nice.
At least according to our sources. So Blackstone, actually, they acquired the company early last year for about $8 billion, including debt. So this would mark a pretty early and profitable exit for Blackstone.
IRR on this is going to be extraordinary.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, and guess what? They're international. I'm just reading this now. They opened up stores in the UK and Ireland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the CEO, Peter Cancro, and he founded Jersey Mike's in 1975. At the age of 17, he purchased the first Mike's sub shop in, of course,
Point Pleasant,
New Jersey, people. Grew the company for about 50 years before transitioning to the chairman.
All right, very
April.
entrepreneurial, Peter Cancro, and it's paying off. All right, let's move on to Honeywell. What's going on?
They, as you know, they've been trying to reshape the business there, the portfolio. They've been pursuing a multi-part breakup. And now, of course, comes word of the next move this morning. Honeywell agreeing to divest its productivity solutions services business, they call PSS, to the industrial manufacturer Brady Corporation. This deal expected to be completed in the second half of the year. PSS is a provider of mobile computers, barcode scanners, and printing solutions for the logistics market. They had about $1.1 billion in revenue last year. This is going to be the largest acquisition for the Milwaukee-based Brady. They make products that identify and protect people, products, and places, so their website says. They were founded in 1914. They had about $1.5 billion in annual sales in the last fiscal year. This also isn't going to be the last sale for Honeywell. The other unit under a strategic review called the Warehouse and Workflow Solutions business serves the transportation, warehouse, and logistics markets. It generated about $1 billion in revenue in 2024. So Honeywell, kind of like,
these industrial companies are always buying and selling stuff. They're always
well, here, I mean, the trend has been to deconglomerate.
I think
is that a word?
I think so, until it switches the other way. So, but
Yeah. Stock is up 20% year to date, Honeywell.
Good.
Not too
Awesome.
bad.
And I can finish up with Greenwich, Connecticut-based QXO. They are acquiring the insulation company Top Bill. The price tag there, $17 billion. So QXO would become the second largest publicly traded building products distributor in North America. QXO the offer there values Top Build at $505 per share. That's about a 23% premium to the closing price on Friday. The transaction expected to close in the third quarter. It would follow QXO's acquisition of Beacon Roofing Supply in 2025. I didn't know. I mean, maybe you haven't heard of QXO, but their brands include GAF, Certainty, James Hardie, Owens Corning. The CEO there has a plan to turn QXO into a $50 billion revenue company within the next 10 years. So
those are three stocks. You did not mention AI in any of them. That's almost impossible to do.
Good job, John.
AI in sandwiches. I'm sure there's got to be.
There's something there.